Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, let's go to the upper bar. Here we have to find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. So let's go to Do Not Disturb. Here you can also switch this mode. You can set it to always be on or only when device is locked. You can allow incoming calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts only, or from nobody. There's also an option notify about repeated calls. Allow sound for the calls repeat within 15 minutes in silent mode. And you can also set a schedule for it. You can change its name, you can select the start time, end time, and on which days it will repeat. Every day, weeknights, weekend, or custom, which you can select like on which days to repeat this schedule. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.